Namaste. How are y'all doing out there, man? Man, feels good, man. Feels good to be back with another video. I'm just saying, I hope you guys are doing good out there. Now, to the topic at hand, continuing on with this fast food thing. And now I want to talk to you guys about the oils, the fries that you get with your burger. So, nothing specifically about potatoes, because that's another topic. But we talked about the burger that you get. Now we're gonna talk about the fries. So obviously, you know how fries get their texture, their coating. They are fried. So if you know anything, well, maybe you don't know. But most fried foods are not really great for you. They're not really good for you. The point that I was looking to make was that you don't know what oils that they're using. So, I mean, I took the liberty to find out what oils that most fast food use, and I'm going to tell you. So, we got vegetable oil. McDonald's uses vegetable oil to fry their fries. You got peanut oil. That's Chick-fil-A, for all you Chick-fil-A lovers. That goes to that restaurant Monday through Saturday. And then we got canola oil and soybean oil and corn oil. Now I put them together because sometimes these oils are just a blend. They blend them together. And that is KFC, your Popeyes, Wendy's, and your Burger King. So with these oils though, you want to be careful which one. I mean, you can't be careful because you're not choosing the oil that the restaurant is frying your fries with. But just to be safe, if you were ever to fry your own fries, you want to use a good oil that's not saturated. The unsaturated oily fats. The unsaturated fat is what you want, not the saturated fats. Most saturated fats, I would say cardiovascular problems, cardiovascular disease, they aid in that. So you want to get the unsaturated fats. Avocados are great unsaturated fats. Great for you. Too much of anything is not good for you, obviously, but avocados will be great for that. I just want to throw that in there. I know it's not fries, but you should maybe substitute fries for avocado if you're looking to gain the right amount of fats and the right fats. So, okay, guys. So, just to go into it briefly, you got your saturated fats, you got your unsaturated fats, you got your polysaturated fats, and you have your monosaturated fats. And then you have your trans fats, which is crazy because those are actually manufactured fats within cookies and cakes and your sweets and your candies. That's all that. That's all the trans fats. So you want to stay, I mean, obviously they taste great, they taste wonderful, and you can't get enough of all those sweet things, but not too much of it. You can't go too crazy on those sweets and chocolates and everything because it'll raise your blood sugar. Also your cholesterol, you want to be careful with eating those things because of your cholesterol. So don't want to get too deep into it with you guys. You do it. You go and do some homework and you figure out what oil that is best for you. But in my opinion, I do use grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil, I believe, is a great oil that is very clean and very unsaturated, as well as flaxseed oil. I think flaxseed oil is one of the best oils there is on the market. Lastly, olive oil. Olive oil is great for unsaturated fats, great fats that you need in your body. So I think those three oils, you can't go wrong. And coconut oil is a great oil as well for an alternative, but just remember it is a saturated oil as well. I believe in coconut oil. In my opinion, I don't think coconut oil can do any wrong. Like I said, anything in excess, too much of anything is bad for you. So I believe the coconut oil is a great oil to cook with. Just, you know, control your amount. Just servings control. Just make sure to use just enough, not a lot, just enough, because it's great for the skin, just like flaxseed oil. It's great for the skin. It has health benefits. So pretty sure if you ingest it, it's also have some health benefits as well for your insides. Okay, and known fact, all these oils, all oils, from what I've researched, from what I've gained, and you can actually take a look for yourself, they have 14 grams of fat for 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is 14 grams of fat, guys. So I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure that you need a little bit more than 1 tablespoon of oil to fry, you know, a good amount of fries. You know what I mean? And the longer they're in there, the more they absorb the oil. I mean, you guys do the math. That's a lot of oil, that's a lot of fat. All right, guys, so make sure to be careful with how much fries you eating. And then you got the salt as well. Make sure to just be careful with your salt intake, your oil intake from all those fries. All right, so I just want to give you guys that information. You don't need a lot of oil, guys. You don't need a lot of oil to get those macronutrients, and everything that you need, the fats that you need from the oil. You don't need a lot of it. Just be careful.